Hello everyone, and welcome back to Coverage Council, your trusted source for insights on insurance, coverage policies, and industry updates. Today, we're going to dive deep into the current trends and news shaping the U.S. insurance industry, from auto and home insurance to business and specialty coverage. We'll explore how inflation, climate change, and emerging technologies are transforming the way insurers operate and how policyholders experience coverage. Whether you are a consumer, an insurance professional, or simply someone interested in understanding this critical sector, this video is packed with insights you won't want to miss. Let's start by looking at the overall market. The U.S. insurance industry has seen significant changes over the last few years. Premiums for auto and home insurance have risen considerably. In some states by over 20%, driven by a combination of factors including inflation, natural disasters, and an increase in claim frequency. For example, homeowners in states like Florida and California face some of the highest rates due to hurricane and wildfire risks, while auto insurance costs continue to climb nationwide. The market is also experiencing shifts in the availability of coverage, with certain insurers reducing their footprint in higher risk areas, leaving consumers searching for alternatives. In terms of technology, the industry is undergoing a digital transformation. Artificial intelligence is being used to streamline claims processing and underwriting, making policies more personalized and efficient. InsurTech startups like Lemonade, Root, and Hippo are introducing innovative models that emphasize transparency and faster service. Telematics, the use of driving data to assess risk, is increasingly shaping auto insurance premiums, rewarding safe drivers with lower rates. Blockchain is being explored to prevent fraud and enhance claims verification. This rapid adoption of technology is not only improving efficiency for insurers, but also raising consumer expectations for convenience and speed in managing their policies. Regulation and compliance continue to play a significant role in shaping trends. New federal and state regulations are increasing transparency requirements, forcing insurers to disclose terms, exclusions, and pricing methodologies more clearly. Data privacy laws impact how insurers collect and manage customer information, particularly as more policies leverage digital platforms and telematics. Legal rulings in areas such as cyber liability and pandemic-related claims are influencing coverage decisions and policy language. Staying informed about regulatory changes is crucial for both consumers and professionals, as it affects everything from policy renewals to claims disputes. Another key trend is the impact of climate change and natural disasters. The frequency and severity of hurricanes, wildfires, floods, and other catastrophic events are driving significant changes in risk modeling and coverage options. Insurers are increasingly adjusting premiums, redefining coverage zones, and sometimes refusing to underwrite properties in extremely high-risk areas. These changes highlight the importance for consumers to review their policies carefully, understand exclusions, and consider additional protections such as flood insurance or extended coverage for natural disasters. The rise of consumer-centric trends cannot be overlooked. People are increasingly shopping for insurance online, using comparison tools to find the best rates and coverage. Younger audiences, in particular, prefer flexible, on-demand insurance solutions that can be customized to their lifestyle. Bundled policies combining auto, home, and life coverage are becoming more popular as a way to simplify protection while potentially saving money. Insurers are also focusing on enhancing the customer experience through chatbots, mobile apps, and AI-driven support, making it easier than ever for policyholders to manage claims and access information. Fraud prevention is another area that continues to evolve. Insurance fraud, both in auto and homeowners' claims, represents a significant cost to the industry. New technologies, such as AI-powered analytics and pattern recognition, are helping companies detect suspicious claims faster and more accurately. Cybersecurity also remains a top concern as more personal and policyholder data is stored digitally. Consumers should be aware of these developments, as they can impact everything from claim approval times to premium pricing. Looking at the broader economic environment, inflation and interest rate trends are affecting insurers' investment strategies and policy pricing. Rising costs for materials, labor, and vehicle repairs are translating into higher claims expenses, which in turn influence premium increases. Similarly, low interest rates in previous years had reduced investment returns for insurers, and recent adjustments in monetary policy are shaping the way companies plan for the future. Understanding these factors helps policyholders anticipate changes in coverage costs and make informed decisions about their insurance needs. In the realm of business insurance, trends show a shift toward more specialized and tailored coverage. Companies are seeking protection for cyber threats, supply chain disruptions, and liability exposure. Emerging risks, such as climate-related business interruptions and regulatory compliance, are prompting insurers to innovate and provide more granular coverage options. For small business owners, this means it's more important than ever to review policies with a knowledgeable professional, ensuring adequate protection against evolving threats. Let's take a closer look at how auto insurance is evolving. Beyond premium increases, there is growing adoption of pay-per-mile and usage-based policies, which reward drivers for safe behavior and reduced mileage. Advanced drivers systems ADAS in vehicles also impact risk assessment, potentially lowering claims for accidents. However, these technologies require insurers to stay current with vehicle trends, repair costs, and legal liabilities associated with autonomous features. For consumers, this is an opportunity to explore more customized and cost-effective coverage options. Homeowners insurance is facing similar challenges. The increase in severe weather events has prompted insurers to adjust premiums and implement stricter underwriting criteria. coverage limits, and deductibles are being re-evaluated, particularly in higher-risk regions. Policyholders should consider additional coverage for floods, earthquakes, or windstorm damage if their standard policy does not include these perils. Furthermore, insurers are leveraging technology such as drone inspections and AI-based property assessments to improve claims accuracy and efficiency. Staying informed about these developments allows homeowners to make better decisions about coverage and risk mitigation. Looking ahead, the future of insurance in the US is likely to be defined by data, personalization, and resilience. AI and predictive analytics will play an even greater role in pricing and underwriting, while customer expectations for convenience and transparency will continue to rise. Insurers will focus not only on protection but also on prevention, offering programs to reduce risk and encourage safer behaviors. From smart home devices that monitor for fire or water damage to telematics devices that track driving habits, the industry is moving toward a proactive approach to risk management. As we wrap up this discussion, it's clear that staying informed is essential. Consumers must understand policy details, exclusions, and evolving trends, while insurers must adapt to technological, regulatory, and environmental changes. Whether you are reviewing your auto, home, or business insurance, keeping an eye on these industry updates can help you make better decisions, avoid surprises, and secure adequate protection for yourself and your family. Thank you for joining us today on Coverage Council. If you found this deep dive valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly updates on insurance trends, news, and expert insights. Remember, staying informed is the first step to staying protected, and we're here to help guide you every step of the way. Stay covered, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next episode.